About a minute or two left to go for Iftar. These guys, they're giving out key to the people.
Majmoon, your favorite? Makkah Mosque, inside part of Haram.
Okay. I didn't know about this prayer room. It's massive.
It's massive. It's the same thing, bigger than this. You got a clock tower.
Is it? This is the view from the prayer room in the small shopping mall next to the clock tower. Okay, so the bus stopped here and I thought I'll get off here to check out this area because it looks very busy. This is also near the Qatar Mosque. There's pockets of people sitting here on the grass and eating. What do we have here? Dates of some sort. Dates and tea. Nice. Next time. I need to go now. Hey. Oh. The lights seem to be on inside. I don't know if it's open now or something. It was closed the other day. Car stopped here and dropped everyone off here. We have to walk through the tunnel. I don't know how long this walk will take. Okay, so we came out of one tunnel, now going into the next tunnel. Google Maps ain't very accurate in this situation, showing 1.5 hour walk from here to the Grand Mosque, which cannot be correct. Out of the second tunnel, we should be getting close. The Grand Mosque is in view. Hope a bunch of people have just gathered up here for the prayer. Whoa, that is a lot of buses. Khutbah has already started, subhanallah.
ورأس الأعمال في رمضان إلا الصوم فإنه لي وأنا قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إن في الجنة بابا يقال له الريان يدخل منه الصائمون يوم القيامة.
آمين آمين.
اللهم تقبل منا الصيام والقيام.
Okay, time for crowd control. Must be one of the toughest crowd control jobs on earth. So here we are after the Friday prayers. My advice, my strong advice, come around 2 hours before the Friday sermon time, the khutbah time. If you come like 30 minutes to 1 hour before, then you are going to be standing in the blazing heat. If you come about 2 hours before, maybe I'm guessing like about 2 hours before, you'll probably get a chance to go into the mosque where you'll have AC. So that is the lesson for Friday. Come early. Now what I need to do, because honestly I was starting to feel a bit lightheaded. This is what I need to do. That's it, I don't have any more. Habib, carry bottles of water with you. Subhanallah. When I stood up from that, honestly, I felt lightheaded. So try your best to stay out of this heat. You can get too much. Let's move on now. Let's try and get into the masjid and take a rest. I want to do the optional tawaf, inshallah, God willing. Some robbers going to perform the umrah now. This is the huge rush of people coming out of the mosque after the Friday prayers. So I need to basically go in this opposite direction through this crowd to try and get inside. Going against the tide. Okay, after going through that wave of traffic of people, made it into the mosque, alhamdulillah. Alright, I think this is the women's section. Okay, and to go and find the place where I can go and do tawaf. Now I can feel the AC, it feels so lovely. Praise be to God. Assalamu alaikum.
Salam.
What is your name?
Tajuddin.
Tajuddin?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Malaysia.
Malaysia? MashaAllah, you speak English, yeah?
Little bit.
Okay. Okay, mashallah. The feeling of wetting your face with cool Zamzam water. Lovely, mashallah. Trying to find the place of tawaf. You can see people everywhere, lying down, taking a rest, having a nap. Assalamu alaikum. Which way tawaf?
Go ahead and left door 114.
Okay, shukran. Jazakallah khair. Okay, so they just told us for tawaf we have to go outside, turn left, and then enter through one of the gates there. Right, so another thing you got to keep in mind is, so I came out of that gate and I was meant to go to gate 66 to get into the tawaf area, but they blocked off that with these green barriers for crowd control. They block off all these large sections of area to keep the flow of traffic one way. So basically I have to go all the way around. Here we are. So here we are, come to the first floor tawaf area. There's 2 floors I think, or 3 floors, or the 3rd floor maybe the roof, I can't remember. But this is the first floor tawaf area. You can see everyone performing tawaf here. It begins on the corner of the black stone, which is signified by a green light, which will be ahead over there. So that's where the tawaf begins from. Okay, before I start, let me splash my face with some Zamzam water once more. But here there's a large crowd, so I might have to wait for a little bit. Assalamu alaikum. You speak English? Yeah. Is it okay to do tawaf with this sandal?
Here, no problem. Here, no problem.
Here, no problem. But for Umrah?
Yeah, Umrah, no.
No, okay. Okay, shukran. Okay, I just asked one of the official guys regarding these sandals and doing tawaf. I don't know the legal ruling about this, but he said here it's not a problem. And I noticed that most people here, or half the people here, are wearing some kind of footwear and doing tawaf. So he said basically here it's not a problem. Probably for the optional tawaf, maybe it's not a problem. But he said when you're doing Umrah downstairs near the Kaaba, then it's not allowed. This is what he said, so I don't know what the actual legal ruling for this is, the fiqh ruling. If anyone knows, please let us know. Okay, so approaching the green light now. This is in line with the corner of the Kaaba where the black stone is, and this is the beginning point for the tawaf. Like I said, this is the optional tawaf, but it is one of the most rewarding acts of worship to do while here. Bismillahi Allahu Akbar. Okay, so I've completed the 7 rounds of the circumambulation, the tawaf, the optional tawaf. Wasn't easy. Took about 10 minutes for each round. So in total about an hour and 10 minutes. Yeah, now I need to go and have a rest somewhere. Right, so as I'm walking along, I notice basically there's about half an hour left still until the Asr, the afternoon prayer. People have already parked up and taken the spots everywhere. Literally everywhere. There's no free spots anywhere already, and I imagine they're going to be staying until Maghrib time probably. This is how packed it is right now. Assalamu alaikum.
Hello, mashallah.
Yeah, you okay?
Whoa,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Very good. Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Muhammad.
Are you Saudi?
Saudi. I'm from Saudi
MashaAllah,
Arabia.
MashaAllah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
cool. Just resting on this pillar. How good it feels just to sit down, alhamdulillah, after all that walking. This view is from gate 66. So hold on, gate 66, okay, the first floor of gate 66. Because I've been going in through the ground floor here. It's the police. Right, I'm out of the masjid now. The crowds are massive, by the way. There's a lot of crowd control happening. So there's a lot of blockages in certain parts where you have to just keep moving one way, so it can slow you down. Right, so now I've been invited by a Palestinian brother to his home for iftar. So I need to make moves now so that I make it in time, in good time for iftar, inshallah, God willing. And I feel like I need to buy something as a courtesy to take to his house, but I don't know what to get, to be honest. So let's just walk into this mall and see what we find. Dates I feel are gonna be like common, But I don't know, maybe some kind of specialized dates, chocolate and whatever else they have. Assalamu alaikum. You alright? Okay, I got some dates, these chocolate ones, one with chocolate, one with almond, and then the main one here, Ajwa chocolate dates, which I thought looks nice. From this place, Siafa dates. Let's try and go down there to the Kudai bus parking and the underground pass-through road and see if I can find a taxi. Okay, got into the taxi and